Einstein did not invent relativity. He is rightfully credited for special and general relativity, however, he did not come up with the idea that motion is relative. For that, we need to go to this gentleman, Galileo Galilei, who my little ghost tattoo is named after. Galileo is the first person to have realised that motion is relative, and to come up with the idea of what we now call a reference frame. Let's imagine you're in a car driving along the motorway. Are you actually moving? The answer is, it depends. Relative to the car, you are stationary. You and the car are not moving at all relative to each other. However, you and the car are moving relative to the road. This means from a physics point of view, it is equally correct to say that you and the car are stationary and the road is coming towards you at 70 miles an hour, as it is to say that the road is stationary and you and the car are driving along it at 70 miles an hour. What we mean by a reference frame is just the point of view of something. So, from the reference frame of the car, you are stationary and the road is coming towards it at 70 miles an hour. From the Earth's reference frame, the Earth is stationary and we are moving along it at 70 miles an hour. When you are in the reference frame of something, that something is not moving because it cannot move relative to itself. Just like I can't move relative to myself because I have my own point of view. This is actually why when you're walking and you're throwing a ball up and down, you can keep catching your ball without having to move your hands forwards or backwards. Relative to you, the ball is not moving. Well, it's moving up and down, but it's not moving forwards and backwards. However, if you were on a moving platform and someone was watching you throw that ball up and down, they would see that ball travel in an arc. But the ball would be moving relative to the blue person with the same speed as the red person is. Likewise, if I was on a moving platform and I throw a ball, the velocity of that ball to me would be one thing, and someone watching me move would measure that velocity of the ball to be the velocity that I am moving at plus the velocity that I threw the ball at relative to myself. This is a relatively unintuitive concept, so if it's taking you a little while to understand and you need to watch the video a few times, that is okay. It's taken me a few times to record it. This, by the way, is also why when you're at the airport and you're on the sort of moving floor thing, you seem to be moving so much faster than everyone else next to you because your speed is added to that of the travelator from the point of view of the people that you're walking past. This has been the first in my relativity series. Please make sure you're liking and following so that you don't miss the rest of it. Thank you for doing everything that you do here, and until next time, I've been Dr. Alex Foden, the Science Wrangler, and I shall see you one of these days.